Okay, so this afternoon I was able to get Wollem eat off my hand. So let's see if I can do it again. Um, she's slowly coming around, but it still need a little push. What I've been doing is that I've been kind of restricting his food. I'm not starving him. I'm just restricting it, so that way he gets a little bit hungry when I'm around, or when I'm ready to train him. So what I'm gonna do now? He has food in there, but it's not enough. I think he ate it all. It's just a little bit of food. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna offer him some food off of my hand. So let's see if he's gonna come down. Oh, he just went up because he saw me out here. Hold on, let me. So I have the door open. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with food like so. And then we'll see if he's gonna come down and get some food. Come on, Wollem. And there we go. He's eating off of my hand. Success. So far, so good, right, Mello? Oh, Mello's right next to me. So, as you can see, it's working so far. Before I was able to do this, but he would come and kind of like eat a piece and then he would walk away like he's doing now, but not like how he's doing now where it's just a continue on eating off of my hand. So this is good. Still a bit, he's still scared, but at least he's getting used to eating off of my hand. That is a huge step. Good boy, Wollem, good boy. Hopefully within a couple of weeks, he'll trust me enough to get him out. We'll see. We shall see. Good boy, Wollem, good boy.